Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So real quick, I need to update y'all on what happened at my place. So as y'all can see, I got stuff everywhere and my place is a hot mess, and y'all probably wondering what is going on. So basically, my pipes bust and my ceiling collapsed. So here's a video of my ceiling leaking after the pipes had bust, and I had a pool of water in my bedroom floor. And here is a video of after the ceiling collapsed. I had debris all over my bed and it was a wet mess. Here's a video of after they fixed the pipe and got all the water cleaned up. So right now I'm just about to get my place back somewhat functional until they come and finish up, everything. So that pretty much what happened. So I will be updating y'all of everything else throughout the video. Okay, y'all, so what happened was we got snow around mid, January, and around this time the temperatures was like freezing cold. It had even got below, 20, degrees, and I left my faucet dripping as I normally would, but my pipe still decided, to bust. So I had just got out the shower when all this happened, got out the shower, and next thing I hear, it was this rumbling noise coming through the walls. Didn't think nothing else of it. Next thing I know, it was a pool of water flooding from my bedroom closet. So that's where the pipes had bust, in my bedroom closet, and it had water leaking from my bedroom closet, and it was shooting up through the ceiling. So as y'all saw in the video, the water was shooting up through the ceiling. So the pressure from the water was so heavy, and the water was running so long, because when all this happened, y'all, I was just in a panic mode. I was on the phone with the management company trying to get somebody to come out, so I didn't think to shut off the water valve so that way it wouldn't cause too much water damage. So my mind was like all over the place. But anyway, the pressure from the water was so heavy, which caused the ceiling to give in and collapse. So that happened, and then I was like I said, I was on the phone with the management company. They got somebody out right away, and they basically, the first day they came out, they sucked up all the water with a wet dry vacuum, and they basically fixed the pipe and fixed the root cause of what caused the pipes to bust in the first place. And they pretty much assured me that it wouldn't happen again because of the way they fixed the pipe. So but yeah, that happened, and then they got all the wet insulation out and pretty much left my roof open until they was able to come back and finish everything. But as I'm editing this video, my room is complete. Everything was done in a matter of 3 days. I had to strip my room, my closet, my clothes, shoes, everything out my closet so they can come and fix everything. So yeah, I was able to salvage most of my items. My bed did get some water damage, but I was able to save my bed and my mattress, because my mattress did have a mattress cover on it. So but everything else, my TV and everything was able to be saved. So I'm glad about that. But y'all, it was just crazy how fast everything was happening, and my mind was like all over the place. So I'm thankful that they was able to get out right away and get the issue stopped in time. But y'all, this is like the second time that I have had issues with busted pipes since I've been renting here. We've been here a year and a half. It'll be 2 years in July, and this issue happened in a different location. And my neighbor had pretty much gave me the heads up, because I share a wall with the other house is like vacant, But basically, I'm sharing a wall with two houses. So my neighbor that's to the right of me basically gave me the heads up that every year, like the people that lived here previous years, before me, basically had the same issue with busted pipes. And it's mainly my unit and the unit that's vacant next to me that has the issues with the busted pipes, every year. So last year exactly, I just looked at my Google photos because I was trying to find out when did this happen last, and I was able to find the photos through Google Photos, and I'll insert the pictures. So mainly what happened was I had the issue with the busted pipe last year in January of 2023, and I thought it was before I knew that it was my pipes. I had water leaking from my dishwasher, and it would seep through the wood from my dishwasher, the wall that surrounds my dishwasher. I had water like seeping through, and I thought it was something wrong with my dishwasher. Come to find out, it was the wall which is behind my sink. And the only way I was able to find out, my couch at the time was covering up the wall, so something told me to like move the couch out the way, and that's when I discovered mold. And I'll just insert pictures here so y'all can see that happened. I had mold all over my wall. They had to replace sheetrock, repaint my wall, and do all that. And it was like crazy because I didn't know where this water was coming from. I just knew every day as I mopped the water up, it would seep back through. And I just thought it was something dealing with the dishwasher. But all along, it was the pipes at the time had bust in the wall of my, living room. And we do have a 2-story house. So I think it was... it may have busted upstairs and leaked down through the wall downstairs. I'm not sure what happened, but they was able to fix that and got that under control. I haven't had any more issues with that. But fast forward to now, I'm having this issue in a different, location, which was in my master bedroom. So, but they pretty much assured me that it wouldn't happen again because they basically fixed the root cause of what caused the pipe, to bust. So, but like I said, I've been here almost 2 years. My lease will be up in July of this year, and I'm not 100% certain if I want to renew my lease again because I just don't really feel like dealing with this issue again. Who knows if it will happen again when it gets cold? I don't know. But my neighbor had already told us that this particular unit that I'm living in always have issues with busted pipes every year as long as she's been living in this area. So, and this already done happened to me twice, and I haven't even been here 2 years, and it already has happened twice. So my goal is to wait until I'm able to buy a house before I move, because y'all know how stressful moving can be. And the thought of moving again when I just moved here less than 2 years ago, I'm not exactly sure, but due to certain circumstances, I may end up moving before then. I don't know. But, my plan is to wait until I'm, ready to buy a house before I, decide to move again. Because, I just don't want to be moving multiple, times. But if it happened, it happened. But I just don't know. But anyway, that's pretty much just an update of, what I've, been dealing with at the time that happened. The first time I didn't, film it, but that, did happen. So, but yeah, I just wanted to update y'all on that. Right now, I'm about to go through these bags and sort out any wet items. These are my pillows that got wet, so I'm just basically taking them out the pillowcase, and I'm gonna, wash, them, and anything else that got, wet. I want to go ahead and wash and dry it, and everything else I'm just gonna sit it to the side and try to get my place back somewhat functional. So, you know, when they come back, all I have to do is just move my stuff back, you know, in my room. But as I was saying earlier, everything is pretty much complete now. This is just video that was pre-recorded, but my room is back to normal, and I didn't film myself, you know. Well, I did a vlog on my other channel of me, you know, putting some of my stuff back in my room, as far as like my bed and my furniture. But as far as me like redoing a video of me putting my clothes back in my closet, I didn't film that because I had already like did a closet makeover, you know, before all this happened. So it was just basically gonna be a repeat of me, you know, organizing my closet. So that's why I didn't film that. But I did vlog on my family channel of me, you know, pretty much putting my furniture back, you know, in my room. So if y'all want to check that out, that video is not uploaded yet, but I will leave a link to my family channel in the description if y'all haven't, you know, subscribed, you know, to my family channel. We do vlogs and day in the life type of videos over there. So I'll make sure to leave our family channel in the description, you know, below, so y'all can be able to go over there and, you know, check out my, you know, vlogging channel. So, but yeah, I think I have talked enough, y'all, and that was a mouthful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some music on and finish up this video. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. If y'all made it to the end, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. So I will insert a couple pictures of what my room looks like now, since they, pretty much completed everything. So if y'all want to see me putting my furniture and everything back in my room, make sure y'all go over and check out my vlogging channel. I will have that video uploaded over there. So but yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next video.